Salam, salam. This is Unity, and this is a Queen's order. All right, so this is 3 different orders. It's going 3 different places. Okay, the first order is going to St. Michael's MD. All right, so the first pair of this beloved Queen order is Fear None But God. And I've been creating these for a while. And this is the back. Fear None But God. The next pair she got is the Thundercat Black Panther hand painted earrings. Matter of fact, I had to make 2 pairs of these. So there's another pair that's going out to Sand Rose, California. And then, yeah, it is those 2 pair. Thank you, Queen, for supporting original hand-painted earrings. The next order is going to Houston, Texas. And these are the Eternal Kari earrings. And they are my best sellers, if y'all can see them. And this is the back of them. Yeah, I've been creating these for some time now. And I also make them in different colors. So if you request you want them in like burgundy, brown, and orange, I could do it that color. You want it in all different tones of pink, all different tones of yellows, all different tones. I can do that. When you order, you just send a note saying the colors that you would like them to be. So this is one pair that the sister ordered from Houston, Texas, which she is a consistent supporter over the years. Another pair that she ordered was I Love My Locks earrings, and they've been selling for years. And this is the back. All right, the next pair is going to Van Cassville, California. Yeah. So these are beautiful, and these are called Soldier Girl Dwafe Afro Pick Comb Wearable Art. Yeah. So these are the Soldier Girl Dwafe earrings. All right. So those are the ones I wanted to share with y'all. I have many Queen's Orders videos coming up and many other videos coming up. Don't forget to pick up trash in your neighborhood. We have to take care of Mother Earth. We got to get our immune system back up so when things come this way, it can repel back the other way. Just like our bodies. The earth reflects our bodies. And our bodies, you know, if a cut get in our bodies, it's going to naturally try to heal it. So that's what Mother Earth is doing now. So y'all just prepare for the worst and hope for the best. And also, if you want to donate to this channel, please do. The links are in the description box. With the donations, I buy more supplies. I come up with more DIYs, which I have DIYs coming up. But I want to thank Miss Hattie. She donated 2 months straight. And I want to thank Moya. She also donated. Y'all check her out with Yas Jewelry. So I want to thank those queens for supporting my YouTube channel and the cats. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.